Hi YouTube, or the internet, I guess. Today's video is going to be on the FOIL method versus the box method. And this is in terms of like binomial equations in algebra. So let's start with the FOIL method. Well, let's start with the binomial equation. Let's do the one we're going to look at is 2x plus 1, 3x plus 5. So that is a binomial equation. So if we're doing FOIL, then what we're going to do is we're going to do first. Well, it stands for first, outer, it's probably hard to read, inner, last. Yeah, so that's just what it is. So that's the FOIL method. So first means these two terms, and then outer means these two terms, and then inner means these two terms, and then last means these two terms. So if you're doing FOIL, you're gonna say it's 6x squared is what you get from multiplying 2x and 3x. That's the inner, or that's the first, I mean. And then you're gonna do outer, which is 2x plus 5, so plus 10, or 2x times 5, I mean, 10x. And then inner is 1 times 3x, which is plus 3x. And then last is going to be 1 times 5, so plus 5. And then if you sum these up, you get 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. So that's FOIL. So now we're going to do the box method. So for the box method, I should draw, well, normally when I'm doing it just on my own, I just draw this, but to do it more correctly, you should probably draw the whole box. So I'm going to do that. So then what you do is you put the first term on the top like this, so 2x and then plus 1, and then the second term, I guess, is 3x plus 5. And so then what you do is you multiply this, or you do the same thing you did up here, but you just do it in the box. So 6x squared, and then this becomes 3x. This is 10x, and this is 5. And so then this, these terms here add together, so it becomes the same answer as before, 6x squared plus 13x plus 5. So that's the box method. I prefer the box method, I'll just be open about that, because it works. So like, let's say you have not a binomial, but instead this had been like, I'll do it in a different color, that way you can tell. Let's do it in green. Instead, if it had been like 2x plus 1, whoops, you can't even read that. 2x plus 1, well, whatever. And then like 4x squared plus, I don't know, 2x plus 1 again. So for FOIL, you have to go like here, 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 and then here, 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 and it just gets more complicated. But for the box, you could have just drawn a box like, this is small obviously, but you could do 2x 1 plus 1, and then 4x squared, 2x, and 1. And it's all organized for you, so then you add up these terms, you add up these terms, and then you get your answer. So I think the box method is a little bit better. I think it's more organized, but I'm not going to stop you. Obviously, I'm not your teacher or whatever, but, well, I am because I'm teaching you, but you can use whichever method you like. And I'm all for that. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you have a good rest of your day. Bye.